Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we've got different things. I've got a subscription box, I've got some Amazon stuff, I have things from other places. So let's get into it, see what I've got. First, right off the bat, we're gonna do my Maniology because I want what's in here. Need to do my nails so bad, and I saw that this was coming, so I've kind of been waiting because I knew that if I didn't wait it would be more than a week before I got to do this, and I really wanted to get into this one. So this is my Mani by Me. It is a monthly subscription. I pay for it with my own money, although I am a Maniology affiliate. I will put my link and code down below. It is an affiliate code, but if when you go over to Maniology, what you're doing is signing up for this, don't use my code because it's 15%, and that's less than the $5 that you can get off this with just code sub5. That's just one of their codes. So if this is what you're going over for, anything else, be sure and use my link and code because you'll get 15% off. But for this, you're better off using their code. This is a monthly subscription box. You can absolutely skip it. Each month you will get 2 plates and 2, I was gonna say eyeshadows, 2 nail polishes. It comes in a nice little bundle. You will also have a surprise, a bonus item in there. And I love it. I have so much fun doing my nails with Maniology. I know you're saying, but do you? I do. I just have been really, really busy lately, and I was gonna do them a couple days ago, and I saw that I was getting ready to have this, and I was like, nope, I've waited this long at this point. I'm waiting for these goodies. Okay, this is July's box. That is the paperwork for it, and it's Dream, Float, and Sparkle with July's Mani by Me collection, Bubble Pop. Doesn't that even sound like you want to do it? Take a deep breath and let your creativity float onto the breeze with all new nail stamping goodies designed to bring carefree, bubbly moments. So excited. So I'm just gonna rip into that little package that you guys saw. Oh, it looks like right on top we have our bonus. I cannot tell what that is. So let's see, let's look at the paperwork and see if I want to open it, if it's something I use. Oh, I do know what it is. And you know what? I don't use this. So I might leave this put together in case I want to pass it along. Let me tell you what they say it is. Your monthly bonus item adds the extra touch of magic, a 6-in-1 Aurora nail tip stand set. This beautiful and practical tool features a rainbow iridescent finish and comes with 5 magnetic nail tip stands, making it easier than ever to work on nail tips and perfect your new bubbly design. So I probably can't find it in the iridescent, but I will show you here what I am talking about. But it's this stand. Can you guys see this? It's kind of like a clear iridescent stand. It has the dots on it. So you take what's down here is a little stand that if you're going to make your own press-on nails, and you can design them on the stand instead of worrying about doing it on your finger, it gives you the stand to set them all up, do all of your painting on, and then you can just use them as press-on nails. So if you do that, this is great. I absolutely don't do press-on nails, so I will set this aside for somebody to try. Each month you also get a little sticker. That is this month's sticker, and it says, life won't shine unless you do. Oh, and she's even got nail polish. That's really cool. I have been collecting those. In the beginning, I was giving them to the kids, and now I keep them to put on my boxes that I keep all of my nail polishes in. Soon I'm gonna need another one of those. Okay, these are our 2 nail polishes for the month. Oh, I like the colors a lot this month. This is what they look like. I hope you can tell that the cream one is iridescent, and they are Bliss, a lovely lavender purple stamping polish with creamy finish, and Euphoria, a stunning white duochrome stamping polish with aqua blue shimmers. How fun is that? So these can eventually end up in the Maniology line. They are first in the monthly boxes, but they can end up in the line. The plates, unless you are a Mani by Me member, you can't get. If they don't sell out, like this month is these. If these don't sell out, they will put them into their store for Mani by Me subscribers. So if you sign up and these are still available, you can go back and buy past ones that were available if you sign up to be a Mani by Me subscriber. Okay, I'm gonna show you these as best I can because I like to leave the blue on them. Oh, perfect, until I use them the first time. But see that this is clouds and bubbles. Oh, look, you can see my full setup. I love this one. It has the bubble wands, and these little strips are perfect because I like to do this kind of thing all over my nail. These pictures are, look, little hearts and bubbles, and these are gonna be so much fun. See why I waited? Super fun. And then this one, this is probably what I use the most when I do my nails. I get a whole one of these ready and then I scrape it and stamp it, and then that's what I do all over my entire nail. That's my favorite thing to do. But these are super fun, and we have different shaped bubbles, and we have heart shaped bubbles, and we have cloud looking bubbles. I was showing it to you upside down. There's teddy bears, and it looks like a llama and a butterfly. This one looks like garland, but see, these are all the little animals. So much fun. So that was this month's box. We got 2 plates, 2 polishes, and our bonus. The plates will never be in the Maniology line. The polishes may. Okay, next out, we have a shirt. It's heavier than I would have guessed. It's a shirt. This is from Amazon. Oh, it's super soft. This actually showed up in my Insta feed, and I thought, you're right. That does look like me. And it is a lighter green than it looked online, so I am very happy with that. Oh, it looks perfect. It's just a kind of cross between a sage and an army green. It's like a 3/4 dolman sleeve, and it has the little at the bottom. It's a nice length. Very, very pretty. I like this a lot. This seems perfect for me. I love this color. I love greens. I don't even wear, you guys, if you watch the channel know, I don't wear all that many greens, but whenever I see a green top, I'm like, you're right. I would like that. So since we are downstairs, I'm not sure how it will work, but I may have been this whole time showing you a picture of me in the shirt right next to me. But it is super soft. It is from Decoto or Decoto. I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon, so it will be an affiliate link. Looking for the tag for you guys. I'd like you to know what the fabrication is. This feels kind of like a jersey knit, but it's probably poly. Let's see. 60 poly, 35 viscose, 5% elastane. So I've hopefully shown you a picture of me in this lovely top, and again, I will link it. Next out, also from Amazon, I have this. My husband sits in this chair that I'm actually in right now. It's old and tattered. We need new living room furniture so bad, but story for another day. He has the tiniest little table next to him, and I saw this and I was like, you know what? I think he would like this. It has a little place. Let's open it up. He won't mind. It has a little place where he can set his iPad. Actually, he's a Droid user, where he can set his Droid when he is messing around online. So I thought that would be super handy. Again, I'll link everything. Everything I'll link down below. It's a nice kind of bubble wrapped package inside that box. Oh, you have to build it. Well, we're not doing that. Oh no, I think the part you have to build is just the part that goes here. It sits just like this. This is wood in here, and you'll just screw it to it, and then it will sit just like this, and then you put it on your chair. Arms. Okay, so she's a little startled there. I'm gonna need a minute. Apparently it's spring. I thought that I would just pull it out and it would stay out. It makes more sense that it would be spring so that it would be tight, but oh, it is very tight. Here. So you just pull out the bottom parts and you put it over the arm of your chair or your sofa. It's a pretty big arm on this chair. Oh, but it's staying nicely. It grips really nicely, and now I have a table. That's very handy. I think you might like that. And it doesn't want to lift up. It has on the inside, can you guys see in there? It's got like a rubbery textured thing that makes it really grab hold of the arm. I think it's handy. I hope he likes that. I'll link it down below. Okay, next out. I'm not sure where I'm gonna link this to. I bought it off HSN, but it was a Today special, so I will find the best buy on the closest equivalent set. But when is the last time, and you may say yesterday, and some of you may be like, what is that? When is the last time you bought Tupperware? Tupperware. That's not even the best part. Hold on a second. Now, you're gonna have to be of a certain age to be as tickled with this as I was when they sold it. But when this popped up, I'm kind of shocked that it's just in the box, in no way protected. That's very interesting. When it popped up, I was like, oh, you've got to be kidding me. It's like the vintage. It's a vintage set. It's vintage color. It's the vintage design. Like, look, it just looks, I mean, did your mom have it? Did your grandmother have it? Did you have it? Are you my age? Did you have it when you were first married? So you just put the lids on. It's the old burping kind that you can just press from the middle and they go on and it pushes out as much of the air as possible. And it's, I know, right? And how great is this size? You almost never see this nice, is it probably 2 or 3 cups? Does it say on it? 2.5 cups. 2.5 cups. And it's perfect and I love it. So I have 2 that size, 2 this size. I'm guessing this is probably a cup to a cup and a half. Same thing, cute little lids. And then we have these 4 and they just get gradually bigger. So there's that, and there's that, and there's these. How big they get. And they don't exactly nest, but it's really close to nesting. How cute is that? I don't think that's technically nested. I mean, they're all, I know. It's very niche. You have to love Tupperware, and I loved Tupperware back in the day. And I was drawn into these sizes. I think these sizes are absolutely perfect. I cut up like cucumbers all the time, and I just want a little thing that I can grab cucumbers out and snack on because I'm back to being good again. I always have leftovers when I'm dieting because you basically have to eat in your house, and every piece of food you make, you have to have cooked. So there's always leftovers around. I just thought this was so cute. Let me know below, do you have vintage Tupperware memories that make you happy? These make me so happy. Last out, I have an Amazon box. First out, I feel like he and I should have had a conversation. If you guys watch my channel, you know that I probably could have supplied him with a notebook. I have a couple around here. This is a 5 college ruled subject notebook. He works from home a lot of the time, and I know that he does keep some of the stuff that he does in writing. Oh, it has like bullet point line. That's cool. I mean, not that you don't know where the lines are, but it has little, can you see the arrows pointing at each line? I'm not sure what this is all about. It's different. It's very nice. I will link it down below in case there's something about it that, oh, it says it fights ink bleed. So it must be a thicker paper. Flag scan and study your notes with the 5-star study app. Oh, I wonder if he realizes that. So that's interesting. So download the app for free. That's all very interesting. Maybe he's going back to school and he didn't tell me. Next out. Anybody else having a problem with fruit flies? I love fruit. I love bananas. We love all of the things. And we have been having some fruit flies. I got online, I read all about it. This was the one that had the best reviews. It's the safer indoor fly trap. They say it's gonna catch regular flies and fruit flies and all the flying things in your house. You just plug it in and it lights up, and the back of this is a sticky part, and they are attracted to it because of a UV light, or fingers crossed that works. And last out, I have my nitrile gloves. I don't love messing with raw meat, and I feel like in the summer, because of the grill, I'm doing it so much more. Cutting up things for kebabs or making burgers or turkey burgers, which are the worst. Just so many things that I just really like to glove up for. I know it's not great for the environment, but sorry. It's the best I can do. This is 100 count, right? I got them in large because I do have fairly little hands except for my palms. I have a big man palm. So I tend to buy gloves in large when I have choices, and that is my Amazon order. I know, my Amazon orders are always the most unusual things. I have a notebook, a fruit fly trap, and nitrile gloves. I will link everything that we just went through down below in case you have an interest in any of it. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you guys taking the time to be here to see all of the things that I get that make me happy, like vintage Tupperware look. I mean, it's yellow and everything. Makes me so happy. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when we have more videos coming out, and I will see you again really soon. Take care, guys.